Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to service your Mazda 3. We'll start with the basics to keep your car running smoothly. Regularly checking your engine oil is crucial for engine health. Don't forget to inspect your tire pressure and tread depth. Proper inflation improves fuel efficiency and safety. Replacing your cabin air filter ensures fresh air inside your vehicle, a simple task anyone can do, typically every 12,000 miles. These steps are fundamental for maintaining your Mazda 3. Moving on to intermediate service, changing your engine oil and filter is a vital step for longevity. Aim for this every 5,000 miles or as recommended by your owner's manual. Tire rotation helps distribute wear evenly, maximizing their lifespan and improving handling. Also, regularly inspecting your brake pads and rotors is essential for safe stopping power. Look for any signs of excessive wear or damage. Now, let's dive into some more advanced checks for your Mazda 3. It's wise to periodically check your transmission fluid level and its color. Healthy fluid is usually red and clear. Inspecting your spark plugs ensures efficient combustion and good fuel economy. Replacing your engine air filter is also key for optimal engine performance and preventing contaminants from entering. These steps contribute significantly to your car's overall health. Finally, some important tips for servicing your Mazda 3. Always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate and specific maintenance schedules tailored to your model. Using genuine Mazda parts ensures the best fit, performance, and reliability for your vehicle. Remember, quality components make a difference. Also, for those looking for great deals and products, check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic offers. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.